Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be talking about HTML code structure. When you're writing a HTML code, the first thing you're going to do is to declare the document type. This is what declares the document type. And the declaration defines that the document is an HTML5 document. So the browser, when it comes across this line of code, it will know that, okay, I will treat this document as a HTML5 document. After that, you have your HTML element, which will have the tag of HTML, opening tag of HTML, then the closing tag of HTML, which is going to be the root element for your HTML page. Every other thing you are going to be writing will enter in between these HTML tags. That's a opening and closing tag. So it will like wrap around your code, just like a human being. Your HTML document will have a head, which will contain meta information about the HTML page. In this head, that's where you have metadata, which will help for search engine optimization, SEO. Anything type in between these head tags will not display in your web page. It's mainly meant for search engines. In this head, the only thing that will be visible from the head will be the title element, which will be displayed at the top part of your browser. If you check some page, you will notice that you see the name of the web page on the top part of your browser, which will help your user to know the page that they are in. After the head element, you will have a body element, of which everything you write in the body element will be visible on your web page. You'll be doing most of your work in between the body tag. So you can have a header there, you can put an image, you can put a paragraph, you can put a lot of things, table, forms in the body tag. That's where you'll be doing most of your work. So if you follow me well, I was mentioning elements, HTML elements. Let me explain what an element is. An element has a tag name, then the content will be in between the tag name, as in you have an opening tag, the content in between, then the closing tag. So that is an element. For instance, you have, let's use paragraph for instance now. The tag name for paragraph is P. You have a tag P, then the content of the paragraph, what you want to display in that paragraph. Then you close the paragraph with a closing tag. So that's what an element is. So the paragraph, now you refer to that paragraph as an element. So you can have a header also. The header will be referred to as an element. Maybe when you display an image, the image will be referred to as an element. There are many elements. Let me clarify the term tag that I also use. A tag, we have a name. The name will be surrounded by angle brackets, which is less than and greater than sign. As I said earlier, like a paragraph, the tag name for a paragraph is P. So we will have a P. The P will be surrounded by less than and greater than sign. When you have the less than and greater than sign, that is for the starting tag. Then we have a closing tag also. The closing tag will have a less than sign followed by a forward slash, then the name of that tag, then a greater than sign. So an element has a starting tag and a closing tag. So the content of the element will be in between the starting and the closing tag. There is another type of tag that we have, which is empty or non-container tags, which they close themselves. They are self-closing. That is, they don't have ending tag or closing tag. When you open them, you close them, as in they will close on the same line. They close themselves. They don't have ending tags, like image is image line break, then input also is a self-closing tag. This is how a self-closing tag looks like. You can see the less than sign. After the less than sign, you write the tag name. For instance, we are using image as an example here. Then after the image, you have some attributes after the image. Then after the attributes, instead of writing your normal greater than sign, you put a forward slash, then put the greater than sign. This is an example of an empty unknown container tag. So that's it. And my mentioned attributes also. Attributes are used to describe the elements. Maybe you want to like add height attributes to like set the height of the image and also width. There are many attributes. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we are going to be building our first HTML web page. So don't miss out on the video. Please share the video to your friends that you know that want to learn web development, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video if you find the video informative, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video. And do have a lovely day. Bye.